Do you know where your favorite Isuzu truck or SUV is made? Is it Japan, Thailand, or maybe somewhere closer to home? Stick around, because in the next few minutes, we're taking you on a global journey to uncover the amazing places where Isuzu vehicles are brought to life. And trust me, some of these might just surprise you. Hey there, auto enthusiast! Welcome back to Autos Discovery, your go-to channel for everything on wheels. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of Isuzu, one of the most trusted names in the automobile industry. Stick around because we're about to uncover where Isuzu vehicles are made, and trust me, it's a global story you won't want to miss. Let's start at the heart of it all, Japan, where Isuzu was born. Headquartered in Tokyo, Isuzu runs 3 major production facilities right here. The Fujisawa plant in Kanagawa, where most of their iconic commercial vehicles like trucks and buses roll out. The Tochigi plant, specializing in crafting those powerful engines that Isuzu is famous for. And the Hokkaido plant, which focuses on parts and components. These facilities showcase the precision and quality that make Japanese manufacturing legendary. But Japan isn't the only place you'll find Isuzu hard at work. Let's jet over to Thailand, which is a major production hub for the company. In Thailand, Isuzu operates a state-of-the-art facility in Samut Prakan. Here, they build the wildly popular Isuzu D-Max pickups, loved by drivers around the world for their reliability and ruggedness. Fun fact, Thailand is often called the Detroit of Asia because of its booming auto industry. Now let's head over to the Philippines, where Isuzu has a plant in Laguna. This facility produces commercial vehicles and assembles trucks and buses tailored for the local market. It's a prime example of how Isuzu adapts to regional needs. In Indonesia, Isuzu focuses on producing trucks and light commercial vehicles, including the Isuzu Panther, designed specifically for local tastes and conditions. Over in India, Isuzu's facility in Sri City, Andhra Pradesh, churns out the D-Max and MUX SUVs, catering to the growing demand for tough yet stylish vehicles in the region. But wait, there's more. Isuzu has a truly global presence. They've got assembly plants in South Africa, partnerships in China, and even partial assembly operations in the United States for their commercial trucks. Wherever there's a road, Isuzu is probably there. Pretty cool, right? Isuzu's global production network allows them to meet the unique needs of drivers everywhere while sticking to their promise of quality and durability. So whether you're cruising in an Isuzu DMX, hauling heavy loads in one of their trucks, or enjoying the comfort of an MUX, now you know the story behind where these amazing vehicles are made. If you loved this video, give it a big thumbs up. Drop a comment below to tell us your favorite Isuzu model, and hit that subscribe button for more auto adventures right here on Autos Discovery. See you in the next one. Drive safe and stay curious.